if we want with a project management plan, we'll say develop project management plan is the process to getting the project management plan, right? So we start a process to get the project management plan called develop that project management plan. It's a process. So we go through a process to obtain that project management plan. We have the inputs, we have the tools and techniques. Then the output should be what we were looking for. It is the project management plan we're developing. So that's the output. The output is not some imagination. It's just what we were looking for. We're solving a problem by using a process. So the inputs of that process, the techniques and tools required for that process, then you come out with that document, the comprehensive document, the project management plan. So now we are about to study what the project management plan is all about. Number one, what is inside the project management plan? If, for example, let me tell you, the project management plan is the comprehensive document. That is the house of the full plan, is the full plan, elaborate plan, robust to deliver the project. Every detail should be inside. It has details enough. And so that plan is what the project manager uses to accomplish the project objectives. Let me tell you again, if we have come to this level, the two fundamental documents that the project manager uses basically all the time. In fact, let me put the question better. There are two documents that are involved in a project, from initiation or pre-initiation right up to closing the project. Two essential documents.
You're asking us the documents?
Yes, can you name the documents?
From there, I'll say the project charter and the PMP.
Oh, no. Okay. Let me ask the question in a better way. Let me take the elementary phase of it, because when we finish some things, I will ask the same question in another way. Okay, now there are two documents that are required for you to pre-initiate a project. Which are those documents? And what is the name for the overall two documents called? Business case. Perfect. And it is all called envelope into what they call business documents. Now you come to managing the project. You will need what? There are two documents again. There are two house documents. House number one is the project management plan. House number two, you have project documents. So essentially, all about the project from start to the end, you have business documents, you have project management plan, and project documents. That's all.
All about
The documents that you need on the project.
business documents.
Yeah. So business documents are pre-initiating documents. Project management plan is the comprehensive document, and it is substantiated or supplemented with documents. And these project documents are many, depending on the project, the size of the project. There are many. You see so many kinds of documents. There's some technical documents like attribute, activity list, milestone list, all kinds of, So, but the house document is this one. This is the major document. Then these ones are project management plan. Yes, that is the logical, the document that houses the logic of managing the project. So now let's uncover the details of the project management plan. And of course, I will leave you with a little lookup in your PM book to uncover a list of project documents that you may just find there. You may not master any of them, but just know them, at least just pass your mind there. When we'll be studying ahead, you will now see them coming up here and there. Okay, we've already discovered document number 2. We have discovered number 2, so we are still to get what all these ones are. When we will now be at scope, schedule, we'll start discovering project coming along. But what we actually are on now is the project management plan. So can we find out what the contents of this look like? Number 1, and you have to take this summary description of the project management plan contents seriously. Number 1, is contents of what? Yes, of the project management plan. Number 1, the project management plan has what you call subsidiary management plans, the subsidiary management plans could be those scope management plan, schedule management plan, cost management plan, quality management plan. That's what subsidiary management. They are the management plans of the knowledge areas, okay, in short. Number 2, the project management plan has change. Oh, sorry, I'll call it other management plans. Other management plans. Other management plans like change management plan, configuration management plan, and requirements management plan. Okay, number 3, content. Baselines like scope baseline, schedule baseline, cost. Yes, I'm giving you the best summary approach to know them. Then performance measurement baseline. Okay. 5, life cycle selection for the project and the development. So 5 has a combination of approach and development approach. Okay, with that, fine. Okay, so contents of the project management plan, you have the subsidiary management plans, which we've stated there. The other management plans like change management plan, configuration management plan, requirements management plan. Then number 3 point of content is baselines. Baselines like scope baseline, schedule baseline, cost baseline. And then Number 4, performance measurement baseline. There we're going to know how to do some calculations. N value